Okay, so hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really awesome paper airplane. Okay, let's get started. So you're going to have a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. I'm going to fold it in half. About in half. Precision is very important. Swoop out. Okay, so now you should have it down like this. You're going to open it. You're going to take this and you're going to fold it along the center line. You're going to fold it along the center line as best as you can. And you're going to crease it. Do the same thing with the other side. Okay, so make sure it's perfect point at the top, and there you go. So now you shove this triangle at the top of the paper, big triangle. So now you're going to take this triangle and you're going to fold it straight down along so the point lines up with the middle. Nice solid crease. Okay, now you should have that. Okay, now you're going to take these points and you're going to fold them down near the points. You're going to fold them about right there. I'll get closer to this, about right there. And you're going to crease it. Okay, now you're going to crease it again. Get it for the other side. Okay, so now you should have this. Now you're going to fold this little tab upward. Okay. So now, I'm going to flip it over. Make sure it's nice and creased. Now you're going to take this and you're going to fold it in half. Okay. I'm going to fold this edge along this line. Okay, now you're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, and there's your paper airplane. You're going to open it. Make sure its wings are up like this. Okay. Really good paper airplane. Flies really good. It's almost like a glider. Okay, if I had more room in my bedroom, I would show you. But, I'm sorry, I really don't have any room. So I might have to do that later on tonight. In my living room, I will show you a flight. This paper airplane when all my family goes to bed. Okay? So, thank you for watching. Bye.